Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
Looks like temperature's starting to cool off a little bit out there.
Yeah.
Great weather if you want to head out to downtown Huntsville.
Yeah, fall officially starts tomorrow. Taylor Knust joins us now live. Taylor, how's it going out there?
It's going great. Party is underway here at Big Spring Park. This is kind of the opening night. Main event will be tomorrow afternoon, but the party is here. Vendors are here ready to share some of local wine, and it's really been a fantastic afternoon, now evening, across North Alabama for anything that you may have going on, whether it's this festival, Friday Night Football. We are in great shape. Now, as Dan and Nicole mentioned, fall officially begins tomorrow. It will be overnight at 1:50 a.m. that we will have the fall equinox. And what that means is that the direct sun rays will be right over the equator. And from this point all the way to the winter solstice, the northern hemisphere will continue to tilt away from the sun, which means our days are going to become shorter and shorter. Sunset this evening is at 6:43. A month from now, it'll be at 6:03. And then 2 months from now, sunset's going to be at 4:37. So a whole different ball game at that point. That's thanks in part to the end of daylight saving time. But still, changes are on the way, and soon enough, the weather will be changing. But we're still going to be feeling like summer, at least as we head toward this weekend. Right now, a comfortable 82 degrees in Huntsville with mainly clear skies. We're expected to stay in the 70s as we head into the 7, 8, and 9 o'clock hours, cooling to the 60s late this evening. And then how about some 50s overnight tonight? 59 in Huntsville, Decatur, and Muscle Shoals. Fort Payne, the cool spot once again with an overnight low of 56 degrees. If you're heading to the Crush Wine and Food Festival on Saturday, here's what you can expect. Warmth and a lot of sunshine. Highs will be in the mid to upper 80s for most of the area on Saturday afternoon. Out near the Shoals, it's possible you reach 90 degrees on Saturday, so certainly a hot start to the fall season. We'll keep that warmth going on Sunday as well. Maybe not quite as warm, but still on the warm side with forecast highs in the mid to upper 80s for most of us. The final Huntsville City FC game of the season is on Sunday at Joe Davis Stadium. Weather looks just fine for the game. It will be on the warm side, but those attending can expect a dry, partly cloudy afternoon with kickoff at 1 o'clock. So here's the situation regionally. We have Tropical Storm Ophelia that has developed along the East Coast this afternoon and this evening. That's going to make landfall overnight tonight in North Carolina. All the moisture associated with that storm will stay well to our east. We're going to have severe storms in the Central Plains tomorrow. Eventually, that system that kicks up those Central Plains storms will head our way as we head into next week. Starting on Monday, we'll have a slight chance at showers, and almost every day next week will bring us a possibility of some rain and a few storms. No washouts, no severe weather expected, but the possibility of wet weather from time to time will be there, with the lingering system pretty much sticking around most of the week. So we're going to possibly need the rain jackets at times next week. We're still keeping our rain chances around 20 to 30% each individual day, but at some point there's a good chance we'll get rain. So here's a look at the 10-day forecast. With that rain and cloud cover in mind, we'll start to see things cool down with highs in the low to mid 80s the majority of the work week. By the following weekend, we dry back out, so the timing is right. This weekend and next weekend are looking dry for us across North Alabama. Guys?
Well, we'll keep the jackets in the closet just a little bit longer. Thanks, Taylor.